Now after hypothalamus, we will study about another most important endocrine gland, that is pituitary gland. As it can be seen from the figure, pituitary gland that is highlighted in pink is attached to the hypothalamus in a form of depression. Thus pituitary gland occurs as a depression of the sphenoid bone, that is this bone, of the skull called sella turcica. However, this pituitary gland is attached to hypothalamus by a structure called infundibulum. As it can be seen from the figure, this hypothalamus is attached to the anterior and posterior lobe of pituitary gland via a stalk-like structure called infundibulum. Now, on physiological basis, pituitary gland basically consists of two parts. First, adenohypophysis, and second, neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis constitutes the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland plus the middle layer, which is called pars intermediate. And neurohypophysis constitutes only the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland. These both structures secretes different types of hormones. So let us first of all begin with the anterior lobe. The anterior pituitary gland secretes basically 6 types of hormones. First is growth hormone. As said earlier, growth hormone, which is also known as somatotropic hormone. It is abbreviated as GH or somatotropic hormone, which is abbreviated as STH. This hormone basically stimulates the growth and development of tissue, as the name suggests. With the help of proper cell division process. However, in some instances, this growth hormone secretion does not occur in proper manner. Due to its inappropriate secretion, few disorders can occur. For example, The first disorder is dwarfism. That is, here the person remains dwarf due to the lack of secretion of growth hormone. That is GH. Second is gigantism. This disorder occurs due to excessive secretion of growth hormone or GH. Thus, it is essential for the proper amount of secretion of the growth hormone within the body for proper functioning of the body. The disorder gigantism generally occurs during childhood time. However, during the adult, if such an excessive secretion of growth hormone occurs, then it results into the disorder acromegaly. In this, due to excessive secretion of growth hormone, in adulthood time, the bones of lower jaw becomes abnormally large, resulting into this disorder. The second type of hormone after growth hormone is prolactin. It is also known as PH, that is prolactin hormone. This hormone stimulates the growth of the mammary gland and thereby the secretion of milk after delivery. The third type of hormone is thyroid stimulating hormone, that is TSH. Definitely the name indicates that it stimulates the production of thyroid hormones. Then the fourth type of hormone is adrenocorticotropic hormone. That is ACTH. That is adrenocorticotropic hormone. This hormone stimulates the adrenal cortex to produce steroids like corticosteroids, glucocorticoid, and many such other substances. And therefore it is also known as mineralocorticoid hormone. Thus, ACTH that stimulates the hormone production from the adrenal cortex is also known as mineralocorticoid hormones. Then the fifth type of hormone that is secreted by the anterior pituitary lobe is luteinizing hormone. That is LH. LH that is luteinizing hormone in male induces the sex hormone that is testosterone and in female production of estrogen. That is female sex hormone. This helps in the ovulation process, thereby ovulation of mature follicles forms the corpus luteum in the ovarian follicle. Thus, formation of corpus luteum occurs. Then the sixth and final type of hormone is follicle stimulating hormone. This is also a type of sex hormone which induces the production of testosterone in male and production of progesterone in female like that of luteinizing hormone. Therefore, in males, testosterone is produced which helps in the process of spermatogenesis, and in female it regulates the production of progesterone and helps in the process of ovulation. These two sex hormones, that is follicle stimulating and luteinizing hormone, that is FSH and LH, together combine to form gonadotropic stimulating hormone, that is GTH. That is gonadotropic hormone, which stimulates the production of sex hormone. Till now we have studied all about the hormones secreted by anterior lobe. Now the second part of adenophysis, that is pars intermedia, that is the intermediate lobe of the pituitary gland, which helps to connect the anterior and posterior part. This lobe, that is intermediate lobe, secretes MSH, that is melanocyte stimulating hormone. This is the hormone which stimulates the production of melanocyte, that is the pigment which is responsible for the skin color. Melanocyte is a pigment that is responsible for the production of skin color. And the third lobe of pituitary gland, that is posterior lobe, which is also known as neurohypophysis, secretes mainly two types of hormones. First is oxytocin and second vasopressin. In females, oxytocin stimulates the widening of uterus at the time of childbirth. Thus, the function of oxytocin is to stimulate the widening of uterus at the time of childbirth and at the time of milk secretion from mammary glands. This is only in females. However, in common, that is in both males and females, it regulates the contraction and relaxation of muscles in the body. Thus, regulation or contraction and relaxation of smooth muscles in the body is carried out with the help of this hormone. And the second hormone, vasopressin, it stimulates or helps in stimulation the reabsorption of water. and electrolytes by the distal tubules of kidney. Thus, reabsorption of essential water and necessary electrolytes by distal tubules of kidney occurs with the help of vasopressin hormone. Therefore, it decreases the loss of water through urine, which is also known as diuresis. And therefore, due to its function, vasopressin is also known as antidiuretic hormone. That is ADH. The deficiency of ADH or vasopressin reduces the reabsorption of water and thereby result in increased urine output. Therefore, more urine is excreted out of the human body. Such a disorder in which reabsorption of water gets reduced, thereby resulting into more urine as an output. Such a disorder is known as diabetes insipidus. Thus, diabetes insipidus can occur due to the lack of secretion of vasopressin or ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone.